guys, we got day 2 of December. I got 2 uploads up already, so we're on track so far. Everything is working out. But yeah, man, how we doing? I hope everybody is having a fantastic day. We got some beautiful weather once again. The only thing that California provides, everything else is pretty shit. The cage on the Z is pretty much getting finished up. On my way there right now. They said it should be done in about 3 to 4 hours. Hopefully my seat doesn't give him too much trouble, cause yeah, that thing is a bitch. It sucks. Old lady was checking out the TEs, like, what are those? They're so shiny. I'm excited though, should look pretty sick. I was gonna do black on the cage just to, you know, like more incognito, but I was like, nah. I'm spending money on a cage, like I want y'all to see that shit. So we did candy red like my calipers, so that's gonna look really clean. I'm still debating on the color, man. I don't know if I want to stay Nardo and just redo it and nose attack. It has Avery 3M right now, and it's on like the darker side of the gray. That was back then, like 4 years ago, when wraps were barely getting into the game and 3M was like pretty good looking. But now we have stuff like a nose attack and there's other materials, and they just look way better, man. It's just more identical to paint. Yo, so I know you guys have seen a few of my videos, and I've pulled up to this place right here. It's called CNC Motorsports. Bruh. Yeah, these people right here, they had all those crazy hypercars. I think they had like Bugatti in there, Pagani, all kind of crazy shit. Man, my boy, why are you all up on my ass in your little Lincoln? Like, what are you doing with that? Okay, Abraham. But yeah, back to CNC though. So yo, those guys were scamming, bro. Like they were screwing over so many people. Like I would say probably 95% of the cars they had there were on consignment. They were basically selling a car and they would just keep the money. They wouldn't pay the person that put the car on consignment. They would just keep feeding them like BS, you know, process gonna be done in a month or 2 and you know, you get your money. But bro, nah, they were like scamming hella people. So they're in right now for like a huge lawsuit. They're definitely out of business. Yeah, it's crazy, bro. I don't understand how you can have a business that big. Like, bro, that building's not cheap. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's so much money into that business, and like, bro, you're just out here scamming people. Like people aren't gonna come forward and be like, yo, I didn't get my money. All right, guys, I think we are here. Oh, what? Lee's Sandwiches? The distribution center? Oh, what? Damn, I didn't even know they had one. Oh, I see an R8. We must be close. I don't know why the hell I got on shorts right now, bro. It like temperature dropped like 20 degrees since I left home. M4, M2. Oh, oi. Vai Silly, Stui Silly, Super, oh Porsche. Oh. They got some sick cars there, man. Very nice. Damn. It's a drift shell right there. Got a new M3. Got the snooch color. These tires are nice. Some Nankans. Clean, clean, clean. Damn. Seat delete in a cage. Full send. That shit's sick. It's very nice. All got cages. Got a bar in that one. E90 gang. Where's your tone macer? Old vibes, low key. Next gen one. Boy's ready. He's ready to go. Clean. Some old vibes right here. The Nardo M2. Sure. Said it was a bitch to get that seat out, and I already know. But the cage looks super good so far. same day install, 4-point cage. Guys, so quick little issue. So for them to bolt the cage down right here, I need these threads in this one, and unfortunately, for some reason, a while ago, the threads just got destroyed on this one that hold the seat down. So I don't know, we're gonna have to figure something out. I dipped to let them finish up real quick because my ass is cold, bro. Yesterday it was hot, nighttime felt great. Today it's like freezing. So my ass is gonna go in here and get some sweats, bro. I'm not trying to get sick. And then everybody gonna think I have the new stage 10 Rona. Hey, y'all, come on, focus, bitch. Y'all thought I was joking about them sweats, huh? Hell no, I wasn't. Y'all see the fog on the windows? Shit, it's chilly as a bitch. But the car's all done, man. It is all done. But yo, guys, check this out. Does this look fast to you? Like, would you assume that this is fast? Probably not. Look at this, look at this. Sheesh. Bro, this is sick, bro. This is like a straight up Dubai build. Wild, right? 2J boys. Damn. We got 3 horsepower right now. You want me to get inside and steer, or that way you guys can push it faster? Just gotta work. Okay. Yeah, get my skinny ass in there, bro. Good. All right, guys, we got it all pushed out. That was as fast as this thing's been in a long time. Sick. Very nice. Looks dope. I didn't bolt down the seat yet because I'm gonna have to bring it back for them to re-tap this side. But looks good, man. Hey, was that a helmet, dog? GT3s are so nice. Sounds pretty good for a Gen 1. Just sounds nice. E90 gang. Clean, clean. Cage in there. Very nice. That's 65, boys. Hey, let me get those brakes, my boy. Got Sleeping Beauty over here. Where's your Tommy, sir? It's kind of busting right there with the light, you know, that's real photogenic. Ooh, that red, that Melbourne red is hitting. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, let me go back and do that again, because it looks, man, not 4K. Can't wait to get my hood and wheels, bro. Can't wait, can't wait. Damn, it smells like that pasta I ate earlier. So yeah, I'm just gonna post up here. I'm waiting for my boy. He's on his way with the tow truck, and yeah, I'm gonna take this thing home, throw it in the garage. And should be coming out of the garage soon. I got some plans for it. We're not 100% starting the new build, but like I said, I have something up my sleeve. The car should be running soon. It might not be at 1,000 horsepower, but it should be running soon. So trust me, just stay tuned. Got some exciting news coming this month, some new ventures and stuff. So yeah, guys, stay tuned, man. Yeah, man, holla at my boy. It's a nice ass truck. He has another one too, a big ass one. It's just dope. Should look like a UFO. Looks like a big ass jacuzzi. I'm so happy that I've been seeing this car for the past few days. Makes me warm inside. No homo. Alright guys, about to head back to the crib. I'll throw that joint in the garage. I'm excited. Isn't that funny? Like, I took one Z out the garage and now I'm excited to put another Z that doesn't run in the garage. Isn't that crazy? That's how you know I love that car.